10 Natural Ingredients to Cleanse Smoker Lungs. 1. Grapefruit. This delicious citrus fruit is characterized by a high content of antioxidants that significantly improve the function of your lung cells. Active compounds in grapefruit resist cellular malignancies, a key factor in preventing tumors. Smokers who eat grapefruit on a regular basis can reduce their risk of developing cancer and other lung disorders. 2. Garlic. Garlic is one of the foods that you can't leave out of your diet. Its high content of sulphur-like substances has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that protects the health of your lungs. Eating garlic raw decreases the risk of chronic diseases in both active and passive smokers. 3. Thyme. This wonderful plant has active substances that are very good for caring for your airways. Essential oil of thyme and the leaves can be used as a natural remedy to relieve chest congestion. Thyme also has antibiotic properties to reduce the presence of bacteria and viruses that can cause lung problems. 4. Oregano. Both the plant and oil of oregano have a high concentration of carvacrol and rosmarinic acid, whose effects are very positive for the respiratory tract. Consumption and the use of oregano in aromatherapy are two ideal ways to reduce respiratory difficulties and eliminate any excess toxins. 5. Ginger. Ginger root has antibiotic, anti-inflammatory, and aromatic properties that effectively treat bronchial and respiratory problems. This is thanks to the fact that it dilates blood vessels and stimulates the removal of excess mucus for the proper regeneration of lung passageways. 6. Carrot. Considered to be an indispensable vegetable in the diet, carrots contain vitamins A, C, E, and K, which are necessary for tissue and epithelial cells. To neutralize the negative effects of nicotine and other aggressive substances, it's recommended that you eat them raw. 7. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is one of the most popular plants when it comes to your lung and respiratory health. Originally from Australia, this plant is one of the oldest remedies for soothing the irritation and inflammation caused by conditions of the lung. It's recommended for removing excess mucus from the nostrils and for controlling other common symptoms related to colds and the flu. 8. Mint. Mint is an aromatic plant that's used for a variety of culinary and medicinal purposes. It contains active substances that decrease inflammation and other symptoms related to breathing difficulties. Mint candies, vapors, and baths are some of the ways you can use it to cleanse smoker lungs. 9. Aloe vera juice. The natural juice obtained from the aloe plant has powerful purifying agents and active substances that cleanse the lungs. It's much more beneficial when you combine it with a couple of tablespoons of honey and a few drops of lemon juice. 10. Licorice root. Licorice root is very popular around the world and it's easily identifiable thanks to its unique aroma. Licorice has anti-inflammatory, soothing, and decongestant properties that facilitate detox and alleviate blocked airways. Ideally, you should accompany any of these remedies with the necessary steps to stop smoking. While it's not easy in the beginning, with the initiative and the desire to improve your health, you'll get there in no time. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.